In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify URL, a task that's essential for managing your online store seamlessly. Whether you're sharing your store link with customers or setting up custom domains, knowing where to locate your Shopify URL is a simple yet crucial skill. And don't worry if you're new to Shopify, this guide will walk you through each step, clearly and comprehensively. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and head over to the Shopify website. If you already have it bookmarked, that's great. Make your way to Shopify's homepage. From there, the next step is to log in to your Shopify admin panel. You'll need your email or store name and your password to access your account. Don't worry if you can't remember your login details exactly. There's always an option to reset your password if necessary. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see a section labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. The Settings tab houses a variety of options that enable you to manage different aspects of your online store. From payment options to account details, everything you need is housed right here. The next step is to look for the Domains option within the Settings menu. By selecting this, you'll open a page dedicated to managing your store's domains. This is where you can purchase new domains, set up redirects, or even transfer a domain you've purchased elsewhere. But for today, our main focus is locating your Shopify URL. Once you're in the Domain section, you'll see several pieces of information. What you're specifically searching for is under the Shopify Managed Domains section. Right here, you'll find your store's URL ending in botmyshopify.com. This is your default Shopify URL, and it's automatically generated when you set up your store. This URL is pivotal as it remains constant, acting as the internal address and identifier for your store on Shopify's platform. Knowing where to find this URL is particularly useful for sharing your store with customers or integrating third-party services that may require it for setup. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Shopify URL. Remember, this simple URL is the key to accessing your store and making it easily available to customers and partners alike. It might seem like a small detail, but understanding how to quickly navigate to your URL can save you a lot of time in the long run. If you enjoyed the tutorial or found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.